fair to middling, a response to a greeting inquiry into the state of one's health. Fat chance, very little likelihood. Field questions, to answer a series of questions, especially from reporters. Fill in the blanks. You can figure out the rest. Fire away, to start doing something, especially asking questions. For all intents and purposes, looking as if or seeming as if. For crying in a bucket or for crying out loud. An exclamation of shock, anger, or surprise. For instance, for example. For nothing, for no purpose at all. For Pete's sake or for pity's sake, a mild exclamation of shock or surprise. For 2 cents, I would do something. With a little bit encouragement, I would do something. For what it's worth, a phrase added to a piece of information suggesting that the information may or may not be useful. For your information, a phrase that introduces or follows a piece of information. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents, and also please hit that like button. Forget about it or forget it. Drop the subject. Don't mind. Fret not. Do not fret about it. Do not worry. From my perspective, or from where I stand, or the way I see it. Phrase to introduce one's own opinion. From the get-go, or the get-go. From the very beginning, from the very first. Gangway, clear the way, get out of the way. Alright everyone, that's it for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. I will upload lessons daily, so remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Also like this video if you don't mind. I'm so glad to be here helping you. Until next time, stay safe. See you.